Turn your head to the left. Just like that. Good. And face. Excellent. Feel that a little bit? Okay. Good. Good. Excellent. Back down. There we go. Good. Excellent. Nice. We have an expert paintballer in climbing right here.
Hello.
So we found that right shoulder is pretty weak. The legs are a little bit weak. So what we're going to do is we're going to check his whole spine, full spine adjustment, to make sure that we free up the low back, so the power is restored in his legs, and then also the neck, so it's also restored into his arm, and we'll probably decompress him too. So let's go face down. Turn your head to the left, just like that. Good. And lie on the side face me. Okay, yeah, excellent. Let's go ahead and sit up for a minute. Okay, we're gonna have you step right over to this, right over here. Just have a seat right with me so you can open up the shoulders a little more. And have you interlace behind your neck. And it's just, there we go. And lie back down. Here. There we go, good. Excellent. One more of those, same thing. Come on back down. And open all the way up. Just look here on your shoulders. There we go. Feel that? Excellent. Pulling back that little hunch part. Good. Let's have you lie on your back over here. Nice. Good. Great. Let me just make sure that these shoulders are looking okay. That's all right. Okay. A lot of times when that neck is out like that and it's weak, we got to check down through these areas. Feel that? There's a huge clunk right there. And that, there. Beautiful. Good. Nice. Perfect. Let's slide down the table a little bit. And lift your hand. Okay. Excellent. Feel that a little bit? Where do you feel that the most?
Okay, straight in the middle, and like in the upper part, and then straight to the lower.
Okay, good. And let's have you line your stomach again. Let's just check the strength of those legs. Okay, let's do a straight leg raise. And hold. Straight leg raise. Hold. Try this one again. Hold. Now it's starting to lock out. Good. Let's sit up and face me. And see the left arm just nice and level. And hold. Good. And hold. There we go. All right. Power's on. Good job. Okay.